Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Introduction to Supply Chain Design. Supply chain design is a fundamental aspect of supply chain management that involves structuring the supply chain to meet business goals effectively and efficiently. At its core, supply chain design focuses on the configuration of the supply chain network, which includes suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, distribution centers, and retailers, ensuring that products and services are delivered to customers in a timely and cost-effective manner. Effective supply chain design can significantly impact a company's ability to compete in the market, affecting costs, customer satisfaction, and ultimately, profitability. One of the primary considerations in supply chain design is the alignment of the supply chain strategy with the overall business strategy. This alignment is crucial because it ensures that the supply chain supports the company's objectives, whether they are cost leadership, differentiation, or a focus on customer service. For instance, a company pursuing a cost leadership strategy might design its supply chain to minimize costs through efficient operations, strategic location of facilities, and bulk purchasing agreements. Conversely, a company focusing on differentiation might prioritize flexibility and responsiveness by maintaining closer relationships with suppliers and investing in technology that enhances visibility and communication throughout the supply chain. The design of a supply chain is inherently complex due to the multitude of factors that must be considered. These factors include demand variability, lead times, transportation costs, inventory levels, and the geographical distribution of markets and resources. Moreover, the increasing globalization of markets has added another layer of complexity, as companies must navigate different regulatory environments, cultural differences, and fluctuating exchange rates. As such, supply chain design requires a strategic approach that encompasses both quantitative analysis and qualitative judgment. Quantitative analysis in supply chain design often involves mathematical modeling and optimization techniques. These tools help businesses determine the optimal number and location of facilities, the best transportation routes, and the appropriate inventory levels to maintain. For example, linear programming can be used to minimize transportation costs by determining the most efficient shipping routes from suppliers to manufacturing plants and from plants to distribution centers. Similarly, simulation models can predict the impact of different design choices on the supply chain's performance, allowing managers to make informed decisions. In addition to quantitative methods, qualitative considerations play a vital role in supply chain design. These considerations include the company's relationships with suppliers and customers, the level of collaboration and trust within the supply chain, and the organizational culture. A successful supply chain design not only optimizes cost and efficiency, but also fosters strong partnerships that can withstand market fluctuations and disruptions. For example, Toyota's collaboration with its suppliers is often cited as a best practice in supply chain management, where close partnerships and shared information lead to improved quality and reduced costs. Technology is another critical component of supply chain design. Advances in information technology have transformed supply chain operations, enabling real-time tracking of shipments, enhanced communication, and improved data analytics capabilities. Technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and blockchain are increasingly being integrated into supply chains, offering new opportunities for optimization and innovation. For instance, IoT devices can provide real-time data on the condition and location of goods, allowing companies to monitor and manage their supply chains more effectively. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to predict demand patterns and optimize inventory levels, while blockchain technology can enhance transparency and traceability in the supply chain, building trust among partners. The design of a supply chain must also take into account the growing importance of sustainability and environmental responsibility. As consumers and regulators become more concerned about the environmental impact of business operations, companies are increasingly focusing on designing green supply chains. This involves minimizing the carbon footprint of supply chain activities, reducing waste, and ensuring that products are sourced and manufactured sustainably. For example, companies might choose to source raw materials from suppliers that adhere to environmental standards or invest in energy-efficient technologies to reduce emissions from transportation and production processes. Sustainable supply chain design not only addresses ethical concerns, but can also lead to cost savings and improved brand reputation. Risk management is another essential element of supply chain design. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the vulnerability of global supply chains to disruptions, underscoring the need for robust risk management strategies. A well-designed supply chain should be resilient, with the ability to adapt to unexpected events such as natural disasters, political instability, or shifts in consumer demand. Strategies for enhancing supply chain resilience include diversifying suppliers, maintaining safety stock, and developing contingency plans for critical operations. Companies might also invest in predictive analytics to identify potential risks and develop proactive measures to mitigate their impact. Ultimately, the effectiveness of supply chain design is measured by its ability to deliver value to customers and stakeholders. This involves balancing cost efficiency with service quality, ensuring that products are available when and where they are needed, and maintaining the flexibility to respond to changing market conditions. By integrating strategic goals with operational capabilities, companies can design supply chains that not only meet current needs, but also position them for future growth and success. In conclusion, supply chain design is a multifaceted process that requires a strategic approach, combining quantitative analysis with qualitative judgment. It involves the careful consideration of various factors, including cost, efficiency, relationships, technology, sustainability, and risk management. By aligning the supply chain with the company's strategic objectives and leveraging technological advancements, businesses can design supply chains that are not only efficient and cost-effective, but also resilient and sustainable. As the business environment continues to evolve, supply chain design will remain a critical factor in determining a company's competitive advantage and long-term success. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.